Hi everyone, I'm Tom Monley and I'm here with Adbri Masonry today to launch their new product, the DIY Concrete Sleeper. It's a great product, very versatile. It can be used in your backyard for mowing strips, garden edges, planter boxes, retaining walls and even light pedestrian pathways. As you can see, it's got a nice wood grain texture in the front, and unlike timber, it won't rot, and in years to come it'll be there looking great in your garden. Alright, now let's have a look at our retaining walls. With this product, in the specs, we can make these up to 750mm high, which is 5 courses of these. When we're installing them, we use things called an I or a H beam. Now with those beams, when we're putting them in our concrete footing, we need to remember that as high as we're going, we need to show that depth as well in the concrete. So if we're building up 600mm, we need to have 600mm in concrete. To install, it's really straightforward. Measure and mark out where your wall is going to go, and mark where your posts will be, which is every 800mm. Dig your post holes to the required depth. We're doing a 400mm wall today, so we're going to dig the post holes 400mm down, and then dig a trench between them so that 50mm of the bottom sleeper face is below ground level. Embed the posts vertically, fill the hole with concrete and check for level and plumb. Another versatile aspect of these sleepers is that you can also use them as posts. As with the steel posts, half of the height needs to be embedded below in the ground and supported with concrete. Once the posts are all embedded and firm, and the concrete has had time to cure, you can insert the sleepers in the posts. When using the sleeper as a post, apply masonry adhesive to the back of the post to form contact with the sleepers. With all the sleepers in place, all that's left to do is backfill with soil and plant.